I've been thinking we should plan a family reunion this winter.
That's a great idea. It's been ages since we had one.
Can we invite Aunt Anu? She's so much fun.
And Uncle Mike. He tells the best stories.
I found a few places for the reunion. A beach resort or a mountain cabin.
Beach sounds nice, but what about hiking in the mountains?
Why not both? A beach resort near the mountains.
Yeah, we can swim and climb mountains.
Let's make a guest list. Relatives, friends, anyone else.
How about inviting the Johnsons? They're always up for a good time.
And my best friend Emily. She practically is family.
Can we invite the dog too? He's family, right?
We need activities. Beach volleyball, hiking, and a talent show.
Don't forget the bonfire with marshmallow roasting.
I'm totally doing a dance for the talent show.
Can we have a treasure hunt too? With a map and everything.
I hope everything goes smoothly tomorrow.
Did we remember to buy enough snacks?
I can't find my favorite dress. It's a disaster.
I accidentally broke the vase. Sorry.
Welcome, everyone. Let the fun begin.
First up, beach volleyball tournament.
And later, the talent show. Get ready to be amazed.
Don't forget the treasure hunt, starting in an hour.
Thanks, everyone, for making this reunion unforgettable.
Safe travels, and let's not wait so long for the next one.
I'll miss this. Love you, Aunt Lisa.
And I'll miss the dog. Can we keep him?
Looking at the photos brings back memories. What was your favorite part?
The talent show was a hit. Sarah, you were amazing.
Thanks, Dad. I loved Uncle Mike's stories by the bonfire.
And the treasure hunt. Can we do it again next time?
Let's create a family album with all the reunion pictures.
We can add captions, like best volleyball team ever.
And a page dedicated to Emily and her funny dance.
Don't forget the dog. He deserves a page too.
The reunion had such a positive impact. Let's make it a tradition.
Maybe we can rotate hosting duties with other relatives.
I'm already planning next year's talent show performance.
Can we invite more friends? The more, the merrier.
Guess what? Aunt Lisa has a new baby. Another family member.
That's fantastic news. We'll have to plan a special visit.
I can't wait to meet the new cousin. More family reunions.
Does this mean we get to plan more treasure hunts?
Unfortunately, not everyone can make it this year. How about a virtual reunion?
Good idea. We can play online games and share memories.
I'll set up a virtual talent show. Who's in?
Can we still have a treasure hunt? I'll hide things around the house.
Let's expand the reunion to include relatives from abroad. A global family gathering.
Great idea. We can share traditions and experiences from different cultures.
I've always wanted to meet our cousins from overseas. This will be amazing.
Can we have an international food night? I want to try new dishes.
I thought it would be nice to celebrate our family's achievements. A showcase of talents and successes.
We can share our accomplishments, big or small, and support each other.
I can talk about my school achievements, and Jake, you can showcase your artwork.
Maybe we can create a family mural together.
Let's have a family retreat this time. A weekend of relaxation, bonding, and reflection.
Sounds like just what we need. No agenda, just quality time together.
Can we do a family hike and stargazing night?
And maybe some storytelling around the campfire.
Let's organize a gathering where grandparents share their life experiences and wisdom with the younger generations.
A day of storytelling and learning from the elders. It'll be valuable for everyone.
I'd love to hear about their adventures and life lessons.
And maybe we can create a family scrapbook with their stories and photos.
How about creating a family time capsule? We can bury it and open it in a decade or two.
Everyone can contribute something meaningful: letters, items, memories.
It'll be like a snapshot of our lives. Imagine the nostalgia when we open it.
Can we include a treasure map for future generations?